Sometimes you start the car and it has 1 mile showing here below your range, and this could be that the computer believes you still have a route active in your navigator. I simulated it right now, so I have really a route active, but it might be that it shows the 1 mile and here just a normal screen. So to get rid of the 1 mile, you go over to your navigator. If you have the X right here, you just hit the X. If you have the X not right here, you just enter any destination wherever you want to go. You can pick a Ford dealership and then you just hit go, and then you can press the X to stop the route. And as you see, now the 1 mile is gone. I hope this helps you to delete the one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like my videos and my channel. And if you have any questions or any suggestions what I should make a video about, let me know in the comments below on my email. Thank you and have a good day.